My favourite part of the show was getting hands-on with the new Einscan Libre on its release day, being one of the first in the country to test it out. The new targetless laser mode with 101 laser lines let us scan the rear half of Everarty's GT40 in less than 1 minute with zero preparation, such as scanning spray or positioning targets. We brought along a wide range of desktop manufacturing products, including the Wazer waterjet cutter, Volterra Nova PCB printer, and Pocket NC miniature 5-axis CNC machine, plus 3D scanners from Shining 3D, including the brand new and fully wireless Einscan Libre, which we demonstrated throughout the event by scanning Everarty's electrified Ford GT40. For 3D printing, we brought along our Bambu Lab print farm, the industrial Ultimaker Factor 4, and large-scale FDM samples from BigRep. We also showcased our Formlabs SLS ecosystem with the Fuse One Plus and Fuse Blast, with vapor smoothing technology using the AMT PostPro SFX. We displayed SLA resin printing systems from Formlabs 2 with the brand new Form 4L on display and printing live at the event. The Form 4L is a game changer for large format SLA printing, with unmatched reliability and most prints in under 6 hours using new low force display technology, nearly 5 times faster than the previous generation. Here's a part that we printed live at the show using new Grey V5 resin. Only available with the Form 4 series, the new standard resins have much improved mechanical properties over the previous generation. We'd love to help you get hands-on with our latest kit, either on site or in our new Innovation Centre just outside Leamington Spa. To book a free product demo at a time that suits you, head to the Contact Us page at solidprint3d.co.uk. We're always hosting new and exciting events around the country, so head to our events page to see what's coming up in the calendar near you.